Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. In fact, we've got a giveaway that's specifically for this video. So I've got a bunch of giveaways going on right now. I'll put links for those in the description box down below. I also every month do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So because I'm setting this box down, it's heavy. Because it's the 1st of October, can you believe it? It's October. I usually do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. Now because it's my birthday month, I'm feeling a little extra special towards you guys. I am giving you a palette that also is an eyeshadow, but also has cheek palettes, blushes in it as well. So what we're giving away for the month of October is the Balm in the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. I haven't swatched it, haven't done anything because this is going to be for one of you lucky winners. It does have a mirror on this end, and then it has the eyeshadows and your blushes and a little contour here for you. So I will let you know what you need to do to enter for this later on in this video. Biggest thing, you must be subscribed to my channel and watch this video in full. That's why I love CAUSEBOX. Everything is ethically made. Everything is made with sustainable resources. It is just a box that you can feel good about purchasing. It's $49 a quarter, and there's over $200 worth of items in here. So let's dive in. So they always send a little magazine that talks about the different products. In the magazine is also codes for, it looks like 20 to 30% off all of the items in here if you were to go onto their website and purchase other items for yourself. There's a $25 card for an online store credit to Known Supply. I do know one of the items in here is by Known Supply because it was a choice item. I think there were 3 different ones that you could have chose different variations of. And then everything neatly comes wrapped in tissue paper. So the first item in here is the largest product that has ever been in a CAUSEBOX. It is the Known Supply Weekend Duffel. And I just strapped the strap for it. And it's this large weekender type of bag. You could have got it in this color. There was the one that was a white with this color of stripes in it, and then there was one that was kind of like an army green color. It does have a little pouch here. On the inside there's another little pouch as well, and then here's what inside is, just the same kind of cotton material. So this is oversized duffel for everything from a weekend aways to trips to the gym. It's handmade by artisans in India. It is a $108 value. The next item is by MALIN+GOTEZ. It is their recovery treatment oil. It's a multitasking treatment oil that provides hydration and helps skin feel softer, smoother, and brighter. Naturally composed of 9 antioxidant rich oils. It does have an $82 value. I do love that everything in this box is obviously cruelty free. And here's what the product itself looks like. It's a blue bottle because this oil itself is clear. And I'm just putting a couple drops on the back of my hand and then kind of rubbing this in here. It does not have a smell to it. So remember when you are putting on your oils, I put my oils on at night because makeup just doesn't sit well on my face if I use oils first. And then I always put my oils on after my moisturizer because the oils can seep through a moisturizer, but your moisturizer cannot penetrate through the oil to work its magic in your skin. So I always do my oils as my last step. And then it rubbed right into the skin. You can kind of tell the difference here with this one is, looks really dry compared to this one. Has this amazing postcard in it by artwork by Minerva Gonzalez Martinez. And then she designed the box cover as well. By La Boutique Soy is a 10-piece makeup brush collection. It's a 10-piece set of makeup brushes for every imaginable use and look. Every brush is made with vegan, cruelty-free bristles and packaged in a thoughtfully designed vegan leather clutch. And here's what these look like. And this gorgeous handle. These are really, really pretty. Look how gorgeous these are. So I am already setting stuff aside for our 400 and our 500 subscriber giveaway. So I think I'm gonna put this breast set, I think this will be perfect, especially like for the 500th one. So look for this in an upcoming giveaway. By Nashelle is their Heather Drop Lariat. It's a custom for the CAUSEBOX to take on the classic Y silhouette. This gorgeous lariat can be dressed up or down. For every product sold, Nashelle donates 10 meals to those in need. How awesome is that? So it's a $38 value. You had your choice between the gold and the silver, and I chose the gold because I just tend to wear more gold, obviously. And as you know, for a lariat, you just toss it around and then put it through. And you could either wear it as high or as low, kind of as you want. And it gets really, really pretty. I like that the CAUSEBOX is more of like kind of a lifestyle brand. And so here's is a candle. It is by Lola. It is a white cactus flower, coconut musk, and it's coconut wax blend, hand poured in the USA. It's 8 ounces. It's phthalate, paraben, and sulfate free, proprietary coconut wax blend, no animal testing, 100% cotton oil, hand poured in the USA, sustainably sourced ingredients, ecologically sound manufacturing, reusable glass vessel. And it says a fresh take on autumn as the candle was developed from sustainably sourced ingredients, including a proprietary coconut wax blend. Every La Laura candle is hand poured in the USA and packaged in gorgeous reusable glass vase. Retails for $35. I really like to smell this. It's really pretty. And here's this glass vase. This would be perfect for putting like those makeup brushes and stuff in. This is really pretty. I really like this. And lastly, the last item was a choice for annual members. Now you could have either gotten the Underwood Letterpress Felt Letter Board, retails for $30, or you could have got the Glass and Ladder Company Terrazzo Travel Wallet, which retails for $105. And I thought that it would be kind of cool to get the felt board and see if I can kind of rig some way maybe to put in the background here what it is that I'm unboxing or what it is I'm talking about that for the day. The letters just easily snap off, and then you can put them on here. And there you go. And then it also comes with this little handy bag to hold all of your letters in. So I thought this was an amazing box. What did you guys think? So for the giveaway for the Balm palette, so like I said before, you must be subscribed to my channel. You must like this video, watch the entire video in entirety. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. So this giveaway will go through the month of October. On November 1st, I will choose a winner. I will do that by random comment picker. When I notify the person that they've won, they have 48 hours to get back to me, or I will pick another person. I do check to make sure that you are subscribed, so make sure that you are subscribed. Your comment can be anything that you'd like. I do highly recommend that you put in there some way for me to get in contact with you. YouTube's not great about letting you know that I've commented back to you and said, hey, you won. So put an Instagram handle, an email handle, some way for me to get in touch with you. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It's the only way to enter the giveaways. Like I said, I've already started putting stuff aside for my 400 and my 500 subscribers. My 500 is going to be a really big one, so help us get there. In the meantime, I hope that you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.